Nobody smokes that I know of.
Ain't nothing in there.
Okay, you had horn blow.
What do we got here? You got a heck of a lot of lights that come on in here. Change engine oil.
About time. Keyed him really.
Are you kidding me? What the heck is with your... Does your tachometer have epilepsy?
No, I told you, the stepper motor's gone out in it.
No, it's working, but it's...
Well, the stepper motor's bad in it. Very common in these cars. That's the second stepper motor in it already.
Hey, that's purple.
Whatever that.
You see that? The clip on the wiring harness. I'm not making fun, but I'm just...
purple.
You know how long it's been since I've actually seen one of those? The fan? Yep. Die-by-wire, you can't just... There's the water bottle right there. I'm not going to do Travis and feed my camera to the fan. Go ahead, touch it. That's it, burn up the clutch. Oh, that's plastic even.
Yeah.